Now we'll get our hands dirty with custom busing. Go to the Setup and I/O. Now to the Bus tab. I have a busing scheme from other sessions. Yours will look different. Regardless, let's hit default so all buses default to their original settings. Now I'll speed through the bus naming. My busing scheme is available in the description below or the graphic. After creating the buses and deleting the unused remainders, we're ready to make the assignments. Think of this as virtual connections or patching. A nice feature we'll be taking advantage of is routing one signal to multiple places via the output. So holding Control, let's assign the premaster mix channel output to stereo master mix print. Notice that now the channel has a plus sign in its output. This means that it is going out to the stereo master mix print and the output 1 and 2 it was assigned to earlier. Now we set it to receive from the premaster bus. Onto the prints. Now we select them all, and holding Shift Option, we select the output dump. Notice how they are all assigned instantly. The dump channel is what it is, a place where the audio stops, as we don't want to double monitor our outputs. The dump bus goes nowhere. Now let's select the stereo master mix print channel's input selection, and holding Command Option Shift, select the stereo master mix print bus. Notice that our assignments have cascaded. This is a huge time saver. Now we will set our effects tracks all to output to the effects print, having selected the wanted channels and holding Shift Option. Now manually we hold Control Option Shift and assign all outputs of the effects track to the premaster bus as well. Command Option Shift and select Verb Strings. See how all the inputs cascade accordingly. Now we select our submaster mix buses and holding Shift Option assign them to the premaster bus. Now just for a change, manually assign all the outputs of these submasters to their specific prints. FX print, string print, woodwind print, horn print, brass print, the percussion prints, key prints, and accessory prints. Now we cascade the assignment of the inputs, starting with the effects, and notice how they are all properly assigned. Following the same commands, assign all inputs to strings as no input, and the output to the string sub. Route all families and groups to their respective settings. Now, this is interesting to note. Notice how after selecting the output, it was assigned to something random? This is a Pro Tools glitch. It occurs from scrolling fast on the menu with the trackpad. To avoid it, use the arrow in the menu to navigate. Let's just set the counter to bars and beats and the sub counter to timecode and save our progress.